science project.
This is the science project kit we have here.
Yep,
And
we're gonna make a
We're gonna make what is this? We're gonna make a real radio.
Yes.
It's a cool kit. We're gonna see how it works out. It says it's ages 8 to 80, but Savvy's world is not 8. She's 3. But we're gonna see how this works out, right, Savvy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's open this up and look inside. So, what does it come with here, Savvy? It comes with a few things to get it started, right?
And it comes with these, and this, and that, and this.
So we're gonna do the real radio, right? That's what we're gonna do. So let's go to that section and see. All right, so it gives you how to build it.
We have to make this. I found it.
No, that's not the one that you're gonna do today. You said you was gonna do the radio. That's the motor. You gotta keep going, and the radio is
Right there.
there. You go, building a real radio, right?
Yeah, and it has this connection, and then a wooden one.
All right, stay tuned. We're gonna get the stuff out the packaging and set it up.
Yeah, look at this SAVI'S. Today we're gonna do
A radio.
radio.
As we started the video last time, we had to pull out some of the items because we didn't have them all. So we had to get Mommy over here to help us pull it together.
We got the bigger one and we got the smallest one. We got all the corrections.
So these are all the items we're gonna need. We're gonna need the
The
baby toilet paper holder,
and the big one.
the paper towel holder.
The paper towel holder.
Then you need your headphones, right? You got headphones, Anna?
Yep, those are
And then pass me the sandpaper.
What's the sandpaper?
You need sandpaper right
Yeah,
there.
sandpaper.
There you go. All right. And then you need your wire.
Wire, see guys, is so sparkles.
All right.
And
Then you need your conductor spool.
Because it's so skinny.
Then you need your one paper clip
One paper clip.
and the paper fasteners. You need 3 paper fasteners.
Then need 2. I don't want to cut myself.
And hopefully we can build it. And we need glue, right? Glue.
Like we like slime.
We're gonna use our slime glue because we're gonna recycle because we're not gonna waste it. You need scissors.
It looks like milk, guys. Guys, it looks like milk.
You need scissors. You need
Mommy, let me tell my
aluminum foil.
Let me tell the kids something. My baby's gonna stay here too.
Yeah, baby brother's gonna watch. Yeah, we have another guest that's watching. You need scotch tape and cardboard.
Because we don't want to lose this.
Okay. All right, Mommy. Have you been reading on how we're gonna put it together? Okay. So what's the first step?
Let's get to the video.
Toilet paper. The toilet paper.
Okay, here you go.
I need it first.
You need the wire magnet.
And then
So,
we
the coil.
put the glue first.
Okay, what are we gonna do with the coil?
We
You gonna help
are
Mommy
going
with the coil?
to
Go ahead.
roll it about 100 times.
100 times? 100 times, Savannah?
Yes, because I'm the wicked for me.
100
Sorry,
times.
guys.
So we're gonna fade this video in and out. Ah, silly goosey. While Mommy works on that, we'll be back.
Daddy.
So now we're still wrapping it around.
Yeah.
Got some
because
tape
I
and put it
put
on.
some tape on there. Because I got these 2 things to help us. These are my worker guys. These are my worker guys I did to my dad. I need them for a second. Say hi, guys. Hi, I'm the worker. And I'm the filly.
All right, we're
Right
back.
here, right here. Wait. Mommy's gonna put it right there. Don't cut my fingers.
Okay,
Thank you.
good job. So Savvy just finished helping cut because we literally had to wrap that spool.
Bye, guys.
Silly goosey. We really had to literally wrap that spool of wire 100 times around that. So it took some time, but we're back. So.
Hey guys, look at this. When I was a baby, I got it, Mommy.
Silly goosey.
I'm not gonna.
So now Mommy's gonna tape that, right? Put the scissors down. That's right. You gotta put the tape on there to hold it. Good job.
Mom's doing great at this, guys.
Okay.
And Peanut's like, what you doing, Savannah?
What's the next step?
Next step.
Use a piece of tape to hold the wire. Sand about 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters.
Now we gotta sand the wire down.
Yeah, sand the wire.
There you go. Go ahead, Savvy. Take the sandpaper and sand it down.
The other one. The tape.
The rough side.
I'm sorry to call you back. But look, I got this thing to come out, this thing.
All the copper? You got the copper off the wire? Yeah, you got it off. You gotta keep going. See how Mommy's gotta keep all the copper off the wire. There you go. Oh, you did do a good job. Just the top part, okay?
Okay, guys.
My 3-year-old scientist. The next step was we got aluminum foil. We had to smooth out the aluminum foil about half the size of a standard
Guys, look.
paper
Look
towel
at,
mix.
Look at the thing. It says off.
Yep. You see? Now put it down so Mommy can go back to it. There we go. And you can help tape it. So now you gotta tape the aluminum foil.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Patience, little scientist. We have to make sure it's smooth.
Okay. Put it here. Right here.
Good job, Savvy.
One more.
One more piece of tape. Go ahead.
Right here. Okay.
And you gotta smooth it out as much as possible and then roll it on.
Mommy's like, I don't know what I'm doing.
But that's why science is so great. You try and you see if hopefully it works at
You
the
try to
end.
do your letters. I just dropped the thing. I'm gonna go get up. I'm sorry, guys.
Tape. Right here.
Alright, so it's not completely free of wrinkles. That's the difficult part. But it's as free as it's gonna be. And hopefully it works. Off the table, silly goosey.
Hey, I want to be on the table.
Alright, so that part
Put
is
a piece
done.
of paper about half the height of the tube.
We got the piece of paper already.
Okay.
Cut a piece of paper about half the
I want
height.
to do it.
Up the tube. What do we have to do?
Alright, so we took the paper with the foil, right? And we wrapped it around the other piece of aluminum foil on the paper towel. And it should be loose, right? Gotta show them that it has to be loose so that it goes up and down.
So it can all go up and down.
So it can slide up and down.
Yeah.
Good job.
Don't worry.
The next step now we're taking
But you gotta put it in, you gotta wrap
we're
it.
gonna call it a flux capacitor. You ever watch Back to the Future? That's a flux capacitor. That's what we're gonna call it because we can't pronounce the word. Science at its best.
Okay, so now you gotta wrap this, man.
Flux.
Whoa.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Bless you in my face.
So now we're wrapping it. The flux capacitor. Okay.
Okay.
Alright, so as the flux capacitor is wrapped.
Remove about 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters of insulation from the ends of
So
the.
now we're taking the headphone wires, the copper around it, which we saw Savvy take the plastic off of, and we're wrapping it around the, what are those called, honey?
Safety fasteners.
Safety
Safety
fasteners.
Paper
fasteners.
fasteners.
Paper
So
fasteners.
we have this right here, and I'm gonna put it in because I know I'm a big girl.
Okay.
But this
So we pick it around the safety fasteners, right,
is
Savvy?
my baby's sleeping, so because he's sleeping,
She's all over the place right now.
and he has
So it's wrapped
he has
around.
a pacifier.
So it's wrapped around, right?
Yes.
And that's the headphone piece that's
I'm
wrapped
gonna
around, right?
try to put this.
Okay.
There we go. So we took glue and we're gluing down the first part.
I'm gonna do this one.
Hopefully everything goes right. Now we're using our, forgot what's that called again?
I faced it right.
Variable capacitor.
Our variable capacitor. Say it.
Capacitor.
There you go. A variable
Oh, let
capacitor.
me do the glue.
That we made. Mommy's gonna do the glue and then you can stick it there.
Oh, you gotta be easy, okay?
There you go. Alright, so as you see Savvy trying to put the headphone in her ear, excuse the mess. But what we did was, so we got it all together. It was difficult. So we're using this metal rack we have here as our antenna, right? Yeah, we see you, Savvy. She put it in her ear. And then we're using a plugged in DVD player as our ground wire. Right here is what we're grounding the radio with, basically.
I'm trying to hear it, guys, but I don't want to come back.
All right, so then what you do is when you slide this up and down, the, what's it called again?
The variable capacitor.
The variable capacitor. It acts as a radio tune. And
Guys,
once,
I'm hurting my ear.
yeah, see, so let me see if I can have you guys hear it. I don't know, probably not. But you're gonna have to take our word for it. So this is it. This is our finished product.
But we have to do one more.
Yep. So next week we'll see you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.